Hey guys, we're here at SEMA 2021 having a great time, and I wanted to talk a little bit about the V3300. Now this is our top of the line aligner, and the customers have been really excited about some of the features and exclusivities that we bring, so I wanted to share a couple of those with you. First thing I want to do is I'm going to grab my VIN code reader here and quickly scan the VIN code. That'll allow it to pull the vehicle right up for us. I can use the vehicle and go ahead and get started with our alignment. As I gather the information, I'm going to do a quick rolling compensation. Once we've gathered that information, we'll go ahead and lock our slip plates and do our caster sweep. Okay. After we've done the caster sweep, we go ahead and we lock in with our locked and level steering wheel. And it comes right up to our screen. Now, one of the things that customers have liked is you see everything's in the green except for the one item that's in the red. It's a little bit larger, really easy to see, so as you're doing the alignment, it pinpoints right where you're at. As that comes into the shape, and you put basically the crayon in the back in its box, that thing will go green for you. Customers have appreciated that. Now, it came right to this screen, but say your car is really out of spec and it's out of the box. Instead of popping up this screen, it will automatically come up to another screen with our vehicle dimensions. Now this is great and customers have really appreciated it because first off, we have the front to back and the left to right. And this is something standard to get a lot of alignment machines. I can quickly start looking for differences in the measurements of this side shorter and that side shorter. Well, I can start looking for damage up there, but we also give you something that's exclusive to our products, and that's the cross dimensioning. If you see on these two sizes, if one side was smaller than the other, it helps match it up. It also will tell me if I have a diamond-shaped car. So maybe I'm dog trekking because of the damage is pushing me over, or there's some adjustments to be made up there. Another measurement we're giving you that's exclusive to us is this number here. And this is the front geometric center line and the rear geometric center line, and that's the differences between it. So see in a car like my rental car I have right now, it's a Passat, and the cradle is how you adjust the caster and camber. If that number's way off, I know to go right to that screen and from after seeing this to square that up on my vehicle before making further adjustments. Something else that we're giving our customers that they really appreciated was this screen right here. If I have more than 2% change, percentage change in the tire diameters, it'll actually flag it to let us know. With stability control on vehicles, that can start causing errors and stuff, and that could be kicking in even though there's no snow or slippery contact surface. So when you come onto this screen, it's great. You look at it. It also might make me go back and double check to make sure I have air in the tires and have the right pressures for doing the alignment. So great screens that the customers like, and they've really appreciated this week. One other thing I like to flag out and to show you is customers are really liking these the tire clamps that we have. And the biggest reason is they actually do not touch the wheel. Some of the other ones that we might find do make surface, like the wheel clamps and everything else. These guys do not touch it, and they're stupid lightweight. They're made out of magnesium. They're perfectly balanced. The customers really appreciate it. There's not a bunch of adapters to put on them, and this is what they like. So thanks a lot, appreciate it.